Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two Philips espresso machines, right? The 3200 series, B0 BMN XTS48, and the newer 3300 series, B0 CZ4 GN5YT, both fully automatic, both with LatteGo. Where do we even start?
Well, the 3300 is definitely pricier, almost $800 compared to the 3200 $600. But the 3200 is renewed, right? That explains some of the price difference.
True, the 3200 is renewed. So what do we get for that extra $200 with the 3300?
It looks like the 3300 offers a bit more in terms of drink options. It boasts 6 hot and iced beverages, including hot water for tea. The 3200 says it offers 5, including iced coffee, but it doesn't mention tea.
Okay, good point. And what about the milk frothing? Both have LatteGo, but is there anything different?
Both use the LatteGo system, which is great because it's super easy to clean. The 3300 specifically mentions it works well even with plant-based milk, which is a plus for some people.
Ah, that's a good call-out. What about noise? I hate a loud espresso machine in the morning.
The 3300 has silent brew technology and is certified by QuietMark, so it's supposed to be significantly quieter. The 3200 doesn't mention anything about noise reduction.
Definitely a win for the 3300 there. Anything on the maintenance side?
The 3300 has an AquaClean filter, and they say you won't need to descale for up to 5,000 cups if you change the filter regularly. The 3200 only mentions easy cleaning of the brew group.
Wow, that AquaClean filter sounds convenient. What about smart features?
The 3300 has the Home ID app, where you can learn about the machine and find new recipes. The 3200 doesn't seem to have any app connectivity.
So the 3300 is newer, quieter, has more drink options, easier maintenance with the AquaClean filter, and app connectivity but costs more. While the 3200 is cheaper, but renewed, and lacks those extra features. Seems like you get what you pay for, in this case. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.